Transferring calls on the 3CX Windows desktop app. Line transfers allow you to transfer calls without speaking to your colleague prior to the transfer. When using the 3CX Windows desktop app, incoming calls are displayed as pop-ups. Once you have answered the incoming call, select Transfer to conduct a blind transfer. Enter and select the name, extension number or email address of the contact you wish to transfer the call to. Your call will be transferred. Attended transfer allows you to talk to your colleague and ensure they are available and have the necessary information prior to the transfer. Once you have answered the incoming call, select Attended Transfer, enter and select the name, extension number or email address of the contact you wish to transfer the call to. Once the call has connected, you can speak with your colleague to check whether or not they are available to take the call. If your colleague is free, select Join to transfer the call. Try out these features today on the 3CX Windows desktop app.